Question number 3 from exercise 3.2. In triangle ABC, if A is 45, B is 60, then find ratio of its sides. So we find ratio of the sides of triangle ABC. So see, two angles are given. Third angle we can find, that is angle C. So A plus B plus C is 180 degree. Therefore, here A plus B plus C is 180 degree. So C angle must be equal to what? This is 105 and subtract from 180. The remaining angle must be of 75 degree. This is 45 and 60. 105 degree. Subtract from 180. 75 degree. Sine of A is equal to sine of 45 degree. Sine of 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2. Sine of B is equal to sine of 60 degree, which is root 3 by 2. And sine of C we find. C is not a standard angle, 75 degree, so it is not standard angle. So let's find sine C, which is sine of 75 degree. 75 degree will express sine 45 degree plus 30 degree, and sine of A plus B, sine A cos B, sine 45 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree sine 30 degree. This is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by 2. LCM of the denominator is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is the LCM of denominator, root 3 plus 1. That is our sine C. This is sine C, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So if we multiply it by 2 root 2, numerator and denominator, it gives us root 6 upon 2 root 2. Denominator we are making same. So here you multiply by root 2. So it gives us 2 upon 2 root 2. You will find that all the denominators are same. Sine A is equal to 2 upon root 2 root 2. Sine B is equal to root 6 upon 2 root 2. So all these denominators we are making same. Sine C is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. We have sine rule. So by sine rule, we know A is equal to K sine A, B is equal to K sine B, and C is equal to K sine C. This is sine rule. We are interested to find ratio of the sides. That means we find here A is to B is to C. That is equal to what? A is K sine A. K sine A is to K sine B is to K sine C. K is getting cancelled. Sine A is to sine B is to sine C. Barabar. Now sine A is this 2 upon root 2, root 6 upon 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 3, 2 root 2. So this is what here sin A, that is 2 upon 2 root 2 is 2, root 6 upon 2 root 2 is 2, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, this root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2 is getting cancelled, and we will be getting A is to B is to C is equal to 2 is to root 6 is to root 3 plus 1. This is the required ratio of the sides of triangle ABC. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, prove that sine of B minus C upon 2 is equal to this. B minus C upon A cos A by 2. So to prove this, we consider RHS. See here RHS. RHS is equal to B minus C upon A into cos of A by 2. Sine rule. See, we have sine rule. B is equal to K sine B. C is equal to K sine C, and A is equal to K sine A. This is sine rule. So we use here sine rule. To prove this, we use sine rule. Substitute B. B is equal to K sine B. K sine B minus C is equal to what? K sine C. K sine C upon A is equal to K sine A. K sine A and into cos of A by 2. This is our RHS. We show it is equal to this. This K is getting cancelled, and see the numerator is sine B minus sine C upon sine A into cos of A by 2. Sin C minus sin T formula we use, and sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 cos B plus C upon 2 into sin B minus C upon 2 and sin A will write 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2, and whole is multiplied by this cos A by 2. So clearly this cos A by 2 is getting cancelled. This 2 is getting cancelled with this, and further it is equal to cos of B plus C, B plus C upon 2 into sin of B minus C upon 2. Denominator is sin A by 2. Sin A by 2. See, in triangle ABC we prove. That means this A, B and C are the interior angles of triangle. So clearly we have A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, and B plus C is equal to 180 minus A, and upon 2, here upon 2, which is 90 degree minus A by 2, so that cos of B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos of 90 degree minus A by 2, and this will be sin A by 2. Sin A by 2. So here we write this cos of B plus C. Cos of B plus C upon 2 is equal to sin A by 2. We write, and therefore RHS will be equal to cos of B plus C upon 2. We write sin A by 2 So it is sine A by 2 into sine of B minus C upon 2 upon this sine A by 2. Again this sine A by 2 is getting cancelled, and finally we will get the LHS, sine of B minus C upon 2. This is equal to LHS. So hence it is proved that sine of B minus C upon 2 is equal to B minus C upon A into cos of A by 2. Question number 5. Prove that, with usual notations we prove that 2 times of this A sine square C by 2 C sine square A by 2, that is equal to A minus B plus C. Consider LHS. LHS is 2 times. So we simplify this, we multiply by 2. So A into 2 times sine square of C by 2 we can write, plus C into 2 times sine square A by 2 we will write. This is our LHS. Look at this 2 sine square A by 2. We have this 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square theta by 2. We apply this result, and in place of this we write A into 1 minus cos of C plus C into 1 minus cos of A, multiply, this will be A minus A cos C plus C minus C cos A. Group this A and C, which is required in the right hand side, A plus C. Okay, so A plus C, minus and minus, this we take in the one bracket, minus, in one bracket we will write A cos C, minus sign we took common, A cos C plus C cos A. This is by projection rule. See, by projection rule, we have A cos C plus C cos A, that is equal to B. So in place of this, what is to be right? B. So it is A plus C minus B. This is by projection rule. So it is by projection rule. And which is RHS to be shown. A minus B plus C, RHS. Question number 7. In triangle ABC, if cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP, then we show that A square, B square, C square are in AP. So in arithmetic progression, here cot A, cot B, cot C, they are in AP means what? 2 times of the middle term is sum of the remaining 2 terms. So here what is given? Cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP. That means 2 times of cot of B must be equal to cot of A plus cot of C. Okay. And what to show? To prove A square, B square, C square are in AP. That means we show that 2 times of B square is equal to A square plus C square. Okay. So here this is given and this is to show according to the statement. So 2 times of cot B will write cos B upon sin B. Sin B is equal to cot A will write cos A upon sin A plus cos C upon sin C. Simplify the right hand side. which is LCM is equal to sin A into sin C cos A into sin C plus sin A into cos C, which is, see the right hand side, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, that is equal to sin of A plus C, numerator. So numerator will become sin of A plus C, and denominator is sin A into sin C. Left hand side 2 cos B upon sin B. Here sin of A plus C in triangle ABC, A plus C, that is equal to 180 minus B. So sin of A plus C will write sin of A plus C, that we write sin of 180 minus B, and which is sin of pi minus theta is sin theta, so which is sin B. So in place of sin A plus C, what we can write? Sin A plus C के जगह हम ये लिख सकते हैं sin B. Why? Because of this. Sin pi minus B is sin B. So left hand side is 2 cos B upon sin B. Right hand side, this is sin B upon sin A into sin C. Take this sin B in right hand side, so you will be getting here 2 cos B is equal to sin square B upon sin A into sin C. Yes, sine rule we use. Sine rule is this: B is equal to K sin B, that means sin B is equal to what? B upon K. Sin A is equal to A upon K, and sin C is equal to C upon K. So thus what we can write now? 2 times cos B, A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC, that is cos B, is equal to B square upon K square, that is sin square B, A upon K and C upon K, so that this K square is getting cancelled, this 2 is getting cancelled. What is then? Left hand side is A square plus C square minus B square, denominator is AC, right hand side B square upon AC. Again this AC is getting cancelled, so what is getting? A square plus C square minus B square is equal to B square. So A square plus C square is equal to 2B square. What did you infer? 2B square is A square plus C square, means A square plus B square and C square, they are in AP. So which is to be shown. So therefore we can write here A square plus A square, B square and C square, they are in what? AP. Question number 8. In triangle ABC, this is given A cos B is equal to B cos A. Then we prove A cos B is equal to B cos A. See here, A cos A is equal to B cos B. So we use here cosine rule. See what is given here, a cos a is equal to b cos b. This is given. Cosine rule we use here, a into cosine rule, b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc is equal to b into, again cosine rule we use, a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac. What is getting cancelled? 2c and 2c is getting cancelled. Then write as it is, a b square plus c square minus a square upon b is equal to b into, here denominator is a square plus c square minus b square. So we'll be taking cross multiplication. Here a square b square plus c square minus a square. Take cross multiplication, b square into a square plus c square minus b square, multiplying a square b square, a square c square minus a to the power 4, here b square a square, b square c square, b to the power 4. So again this a square b square is getting cancelled. Then what is left? Here a square c square minus b square c square, right hand side we are taking this b square c square in the left hand side, a to the power 4 you take in the right hand side, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, taking c square common from this, a square minus b square, factorize this, it is a square minus b square and a square plus b square, these are the factors, plus b square. Now either this a square minus b square may be 0 or may not be 0. If it is 0, then we are getting one condition, that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. But if a square b square is, a square and b square are different, they are not equal, then we can cancel this. So if a square is not equal to b square, that means it is not isosceles triangle. Then a square minus b square, this is not equal to 0, and we can cancel this. Therefore c square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a square plus b square, this a square minus b square we cancel, as it is not equal to 0, so we can cancel it, and c square will be equal to a square plus b square. So what did you infer? That our triangle is right angled at C. We infer that our triangle is right angled at C. This is C, A, B, C. This side is A, this side is B. So C square is equal to A square plus B square. So first condition, that the triangle is right angled. Therefore right angle triangle, it is at C. Another condition is what? If A square and B square are equal, therefore A is equal to B means it is an isosceles triangle which is required, either this or this. So here we have arrived to question number 8. Question number 9 we did in the previous video. So keep on watching videos. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.